Hello student, we are going to learn construction practice lab. In construction practice lab, experiment number 7, prepare a bar bending schedule and fabrication of reinforcement for a doubly reinforced beam. Okay, so what is aim? Aim is prepared bar bending schedule and fabrication of reinforcement for a doubly reinforcement beam. So tools required: cutting tools, tape, lever, bar bending platform, etc. In field. So what is procedure for preparing bar bending reinforced beam? Okay. So draw the figure showing the reinforcement detail, adopting standard procedure for a curt- curtil curtailment and anchorage from the given particulars. Identify the types of bars, main distribution and stirrups, etc. and sketch their shape. Calculate the number of bars required in each type of and then prepare the bar bending schedule. Collect the required quantities of a steel in each type. Check the dimensions with the drawings and rectify the defect if any. Mark over all dimensions of a beam on a hard leveled surface. Place the bars in the position at a specified spacing and mark on them the position of the stirrups using tape and chalk. So tie the end and middle steps with the main bars properly as shown in figure using binding wires. Then place the anchor rods in position and tie them with their stirrups. Tie all the rods firmly with the main and anchor bars properly as shown in the figure. Insert the mortar blocks at the bottom for ensuring clear cover and check the position of the main reinforcement and stirrups and rectify the defect if any. So it is a procedure. So let us see about the diagram of a doubly reinforcement beam. Here it is main bar. Main bar CTD 4 numbers 20 mm dia straight and top bar CTD 3 numbers 20 mm dia and spacing of a total length is 4 meter and from support 6 mm dia at 100 mm center to center up to 1 meter from the support. Okay, and the 6 mm dia at 200 mm center to center. So clear cover is 40 mm and support is wall support is 300 mm and depth is beam depth is 500 mm. Okay, so the cross section at a support, see here. Okay, and top bar CTD 3 numbers 20 mm dia, stirrup 6 mm dia at 100 mm center to center and main bar CTD 4 numbers 20 mm dia straight. Okay, so let us know about table for a hook length. We are going to calculate the bar bending fabrication of a reinforcement for a beam. So we require this table: main bar and hanger bar, stirrups for a lateral ties. So mid steel bars 180 degree, 9 times of dia is used and 45 degree 7 times of dia and 8 mm dia bar are used and 4 times of dia is 6 mm dia bar are used. So HYSD in 180 degree 9 times of dia is used, and CTD bar 90 degree 6 times of dia is used. Okay. So let us know about calculation. First, length of main bar. Length of main bar is clear span plus 2 support minus 2 cover plus 2 hook length. So our clear span is 4 meter plus 2 into support. This is our support. Okay. And minus 2 into cover. This is our cover. Okay. Plus 2 into hook length 6 into hook length there. So we are know about this 6 times of dia. Okay. So here 6 into 0.020. So we are got the length of main bar is 4.76 meter. Second, length of top bar. Length of main bar and length of top bar are same. So 4.76 meter is constant. Okay. Third one, length of lateral ties. The length of lateral ties formula is 2 into width of beam plus 2 into depth of beam plus 2 into hook length. So 2 into width of beam is our, see here, width. This is a width and this is a depth. Okay. So when there is a width 0.25. So we are going to minus the cover of a 0.25 to 0.04. So we got 0.21. Similarly, plus 2 depth of beam. So depth of beam is our 0.50. So minus cover 0.04. So we got 0.46. Similarly, the 2 into hook length. Our hook length is, see here, we are going to add this 4 times of dia in 6 mm dia bar. Okay. So here it is, length of lateral ties is coming 1.82 meter. So number of bars formula is span divided by spacing of bar plus 1. So here it is, see, from support here 1 meter 1 divided by spacing of stirrup 0.100 mm. So we are going to take 0.1 plus 1. So we are got 11 numbers of stirrups. So both the end we are going to multiply by 2. So 11 into 2 is equal to 22 numbers of stirrups. So second one here. So we calculate this and this. So I am going to calculate this. So total length of doubly reinforcement beam is 4 meter. To minus this 1 meter, remaining is 2 meter. So we are going to calculate 2 divided by 0.2. 0.2 means this is a spacing 200 meters. 2 LVS 6 mm dia at a 200 mm center to center. So we are going to calculate 2 divided by 0.2 meter into plus 1. So we are going to 11 numbers of bars are required. So total numbers of bar is 33 numbers of bar are required to stirrups. Okay. So bar bending schedule. See, the bar bending schedule is uh, tabular column, SL number, dia and grade, type of bar, shape of bar, length in meter, number of bars, weight in kgs per meter. So when weight in kgs per meter, we are going to calculate the first from formula is d square divided by 162 and total weight in kgs. So first 20 mm CTD main bar, see here main bar, and 4.76 meter number of bars we are gain 4 and weight in kgs 0.123. Here 0.123 is how they are coming. So 20 divided by 162 is 0.123. Okay. So total weight in kgs is length into number of bars into weight in kgs per meter. Okay. Similarly, second one 20 mm CTD top bars 4.76 meter. 3 number of bars are used and weight in kgs is per meter 0.123 and total weight in length in meter into number of bars into weight in kgs per meter. So 1.756 total weight in kgs. So third one 6 mm dia CTD stirrups 1.98 is length in meter, number of bars 33, weight in kgs per meter is 0.0370 and total weight of 2.47. Okay. Hope you class like this. Thank you.